du vin, some wine. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to learn the vocabulary of drinks in French. So let's start. Du lait, some milk. De l'eau, some water. De l'eau is a feminine word. De l'eau plate, some still water. De l'eau gazeuse, some sparkling water. Here you could also use de l'eau pétillante. Du jus, some juice. And here you can use de or the apostrophe followed by the fruit. For example, du jus d'orange, orange juice, or du jus de pomme, apple juice. Du vin, some wine. Du thé, some tea. The word thé can be followed by a color, for example, du thé vert, green tea, or du thé noir, black tea. Du café, some coffee. De la tisane, some herbal tea. De l'alcool, some alcohol. Du Coca, some Coke. De la bière, some beer. Un cocktail, a cocktail. Un chocolat chaud, a hot chocolate. Une boisson, a drink. Une boisson chaude, a hot drink. Une boisson froide, a cold drink. Du sirop, some syrup. And here you can use au or à la followed by the flavor. For example, du sirop à la fraise or du sirop au citron. Un soda, a fizzy drink. Du champagne, some champagne. And finally, un digestif, an after-dinner liquor. That's it for the vocabulary of drinks. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!